Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we're diving into a practical guide that most of us can relate to, setting up alarms on your iPhone 15. We all know how crucial alarms are for our mornings, so let's get right into it. The first step is pretty straightforward. Open up the clock application on your iPhone 15. It's the essential hub for all things time-related, and we'll be utilizing it to its fullest potential. Once you're in the clock app, look for the alarms option at the bottom. It's your gateway to a seamless alarm setup process. Click on it, and you'll find yourself in the heart of your alarm settings. Now, let's talk about adding a new alarm. Hit the plus button at the top of the alarm panel. This is where the magic happens. You're creating the foundation for your waking routine. Now pay close attention to the details. Configure your alarm settings meticulously. Set the wake-up time, decide on the days it repeats, choose a sound that resonates with you, and don't forget to label your alarm. It's the little things that make your waking experience personalized. And here's a pro tip. Play around with the settings. Did you know you can even use your favorite Apple Music song as your alarm sound? That's the beauty of customization on your iPhone 15. Once you've fine-tuned your settings, click Save. But here's the crucial part. Make sure that green indicator next to your alarm is activated. That's the go signal for your alarm to function as intended. Now you're all set to wake up seamlessly. Now, the App Store is a treasure trove of third-party alarm apps, and I want to share a couple that I personally find useful. Take Alarmy, for instance. It goes beyond the basics, allowing you to set custom missions to kickstart your day. Think solving math problems to wake up. It adds a unique twist to your morning routine. And let's not forget about Sleep Cycle. This app does more than just wake you up. It tracks your sleep cycles and ensures you rise at the perfect time. It's a game changer for those who want a more holistic approach to waking up. Before we wrap up, be sure to check out my other video where I delve into why the iPhone alarm might not be meeting your expectations. It's a deep dive into the nuances of alarm functionality. Thank you so much for tuning in to Foxtecc today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us.